Oh, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in the shed and hopefully you can hear me, because that's the problem I've been having for the last 3-4 weeks. Plus I've lost loads of footage. It's not very good lighting in here. It's quite bright outside, but it's getting that time of day where it's starting to get dark. As you can see, the shed's up, roof's up. Yeah, windows are in, if you can call it that. And yeah, it's all there apart from the doors. I haven't fitted the doors yet. And then, but the doors are the next thing I'm going to do. I'll do them over the weekend, hopefully. But the next thing I'm going to do is all these battens, well, about say an inch square. I'm going to replace, well, not replace them. I'm going to put 2x1 next to them, because I just want it more solid. Because it's very these panels are weaker than a fence panel. They are absolutely crap, but it does the job. It's going to do the job. And the other thing is the floor. I've ordered, well, I haven't ordered, I'm just about to order some shuttering ply to put on the floor. That's 3/4. Well, I've got a choice, 3/4 of that or ply, 1/2 inch ply, but the floor is so soft and bendy, I'd rather go for the shuttering ply. I know it's not the nicest stuff to have on the floor, but it will do the job. It flexes with my weight. Obviously I'm 22 stone, so what would you expect? But yeah, so I've got to put that floor down, because if I'm trying to pull a bench or anything across, it's just going to go through this floor. I can see it. So yeah, like I say, it's there. It's going to take another, well, I don't know, a week or so before I can get my floor or anything down. It's just timing. But it's getting there, and I'll get the electrics in. I want to be in here by Christmas. That's my plan. We've got a few weeks now. I think it's about the 1st or 2nd of December, something like that. It's the first sort of dry week, or dry day we've had in weeks. Like I say, we've had lots of problems with it. He's slowly drying out the shed. This wall, I think you might be able to see the colours where it's still wet. But, and this side of the roof is wet, but I think that's where obviously I'd put the other door across there, but I think it's where the condensate, the damp's able to come in, and we've had like frosts and Christ knows what. So I mean, it's -3 the other morning. So yeah, I think that's what the problem. I'm hoping that's what the problem is. Obviously, it's got a lot of damp in here, because you can see the windows are steamed up. They've been steamed up for since I put them in. Yeah, I'll show you. Oh, bloody phone. I'll show you outside. Alright, as you can see, we've got the felt on. Louis climbed up on there and done that. Yeah, I've got to this edge. I've left the top where there's a drip vest. I want that sort of tucked under. I've run out of felt tacks, so I'll get that done. That's working okay for now. Got me wood on the front of it and on the back, holding the felt down. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's drying out slowly. As you can see, I've got to get my doors on. Get my doors on. Trouble is, it's just been so wet and muddy, and I didn't sort of go in. I've sort of left it a few days not going in there, because just walking mud and that in the wet. Same one there with the felt. I've just got to tuck it under, make a sort of a drip. It's a bit slack on the middle, in the middle there. That's where Louis got his bum where he's sliding around. And then once we get the doors secure on, I'll be able to, and the floor in, I'll be able to put me bench in, and my new tool, my new machine. Get me drill and everything in here and bits and pieces. Like some of the other toolboxes coming in. You know what's going in there basically. And my table for my Christmas dinner. I think that might be the first thing I'll work on in there for Christmas dinner. Obviously I need some power in there, get some lights in there. And then we can, you know, like I say, work in progress. There's no rush, but I have got to get the other workshop cleared out still. Yeah, but we had loads of problems this month. I'll tell you about that in another video. But this is just about the sheds. People are asking me how I'm getting on, so it might be a little while before you get. So I think it's about the first or second of December, something like the beginning of the month. So I don't know when you'll get to see this, if we've got sound, that is. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, all the usual sort of stuff. Take it easy, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.